Hey, hey you. Yeah, I'm over here. Hi, my name is Abby, and I'm here to solve a lot of your problems. Have you ever had your child come home from school and ask you for help with their homework, and then you say, I don't know what to do with you? Well, no problem. I'm here to help you help your child. Welcome to my classroom. So right here, you can see that I can write all over this whiteboard. And you know what? So can you. This works on your tablet and on your computer. Also, we have two-way video. Where you see me talking, here's where you'll see me talking when we have a session. But you'll also be able to see yourself, and I'll be able to see you as well. Something else we can do is, I know a lot of times we have these beautiful worksheets that our teachers give us. Well, we can upload them directly into this platform, and then we can just take a look at them together. And so we can write on this and we can say, okay, well, this is falling and it goes splat. So where is my potential energy? Well, I have potential energy up here, and then I have kinetic energy right before I hit. And then once I hit, I've transferred that energy into the ground. So you see, when I move my cursor, you can see that. We can draw, we can change colors so that we can really color code and get down into the nitty-gritty. And if you're looking to have tutoring for the SAT, I can design a custom plan for you and your child so that you are really improving on those SAT scores. I can pop full SAT questions right up here on the board, and we can solve them out. And don't worry if this looks a little confusing. I will go through all the foundational skills you need in order to be successful. So don't forget, you can sign up today and you can study for all of those end of semester tests, or you can prep for your next standardized test. I'm really hoping that I can be helpful to you.